Thank you for our Martin. Thank you for our martyr. And thank you for the mission and the struggle that continues.
So even with those accomplishments, with the Civil Rights Act and the Voting Rights Act and the Fair Housing Act, we're reminded that those things aren't safe. And so the work of Dr. Martin Luther King persists.
Quite honestly, I think he would be very disappointed in where we are today, where the world is in general, and specifically where race relations are. It seems as though we have gone back in time.